Let's keep the area clear. Guys, you have to keep this area clear, okay? Guys, keep it clear.
Can we take a
Excuse me.
Let's keep the area clear.
आप देखो मेरे साथ भी लोग आंटी साथ भी
I'm gonna head down here.
Yeah. Guys, let him move, please. Let him move.
Oh, you're so sweet. Can you take a portrait of me, Mom? Wait, come on.
Take a photo with me.
Thank you, son.
Assalamualaikum. Zeno? Media person.
ਕੱਪ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ जी हम इब्राहिम भाई चला जाओ हम
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
कैसे हैं जी?
Say goodbye, or is it?
With you.
Congratulations.
Well,
on
man.
that,
Good to see you, brother. Good, good. Good luck. Morning. All the best. Morning, man. Good luck. Yeah, good luck.
रिजवान भाई कब कितनी दूर है हमारे से?
एक कदम है इंशाल्लाह.
What's the problem? चला लेंगे रिजवान भाई.
वसीम थोड़ा सा इसमें से सामान अगर जगह है इसमें
मैंने उसे कहा लड़के चला लेंगे.
How much this is extra? Can you remember how heavy these were? One of them was about 7. 1 7. One was 40. And then that one was 40. That one. Take what you can. Take what you think out now. There's no way to get back at the airport. So you might have to take a couple of things out. So you've got to get around 7. Hello. No, that one's 40. This one doesn't. Oh, yeah, it's in the 30s. Try to get down to 32. That will take a little bit more over 32. Supposed to be 32. You can take it out and share it amongst your carry on.